Hello friends, welcome to GK Rapid Brain YouTube channel. This video we will learn MCQ question and answers on Milky Way, solar system and planets. Before starting this video, please like, share, subscribe and hit notification bell so you get the video first. Let's start. Question 1. What is the Milky Way? Option A chocolate bar, B a galaxy, C a planet, D a constellation. The right answer is B, a galaxy. The Milky Way Galaxy is a barred spiral galaxy that contains the solar system, including Earth. It is estimated to contain 100 to 400 billion stars and is about 1 lakh light years in diameter. The Sun is located about 26,000 light years from the center of the galaxy in one of the spiral arms. Question 2. What is the approximate diameter of the Milky Way? Option A 1 lakh light years, B 1 million light years, C 10 billion light years, D 1 trillion light years. The right answer is A 1 lakh light years. The approximate diameter of the Milky Way Galaxy is estimated to be about 1 lakh light years. This means that if you were to travel at the speed of light about 2,99,792 km per second, it would take you 1 lakh years to traverse the entire width of the Milky Way from one side to the other. Question 3. Which galaxy do we belong to? Option A Andromeda Galaxy, B Milky Way Galaxy, C Orion Galaxy, D Sombrio Galaxy. The right answer is B Milky Way Galaxy. We belong to the Milky Way Galaxy. Our solar system include Earth is located within the Milky Way Galaxy. The Milky Way is a barred spiral galaxy and it is our cosmic home in the vast universe. Question 4. How many stars are estimated to be in the Milky Way? Option A few thousand, B few million, C few billion, D few trillion. The right answer is C few billion. Astronomers estimate that there are between 100 to 400 billion stars in the Milky Way Galaxy. This is a huge number of stars and it is difficult to comprehend. To put it in perspective, if you were to count one star per second, it would take you about 3 billion years to count all of the stars in the Milky Way Galaxy. Question 5. Which object is at the center of the Milky Way? Option A black hole, B a supernova, C a neutron star, D a white dwarf. The right answer is A black hole. At the center of the Milky Way Galaxy is a supermassive black hole called Sagittarius A. It has a mass of about 4 million times the mass of the Sun. Supermassive black holes are thought to be common at the centers of galaxies and they play an important role in their evolution. Question 6. What is the solar system? Option A group of planets rotating around the Sun, B a group of galaxies rotating around the Milky Way, C a group of comets rotating around a star, D a group of asteroids rotating around a dwarf planet. The right answer is a group of planets rotating around the Sun. The solar system refers to a vast celestial system that consists of the Sun, its collection of planets and their moons, asteroids, comets and various other objects, all bound together by the gravitational force of the Sun. Question 7. Which planet is closest to the Sun? Option A Jupiter, B Mars, C Mercury, D Neptune. The right answer is C Mercury. The planet closest to the Sun in our solar system is Mercury. Mercury is the innermost planet and it orbits the Sun at an average distance of approximately 58 million kilometers. Question 8. Which planet is known as the red planet? Option A Venus, B Mars, C Earth, D Saturn. The right answer is B. Mars. The planet known as the red planet is Mars. This is because the iron oxide in the Martian soil gives it a reddish appearance. Question 9. Which planet is the largest in the solar system? Option A. Saturn, B. Uranus, C. Jupiter, D. Venus. The right answer is C. Jupiter. The largest planet in the solar system is Jupiter. It is more than twice as massive as all the other planets combined. Jupiter is a gas giant, meaning that it is made up of mostly of hydrogen and helium. It had a diameter of about 1,43,000 kilometers, which is about 11 times the diameter of Earth. Question 10. How many planets are there in the solar system? Option A 7, B 8, C 9, D 10. The right answer is B 8. There are 8 planets in the solar system. They are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Pluto was once considered to be the 9th planet, but it was reclassified as a dwarf planet in 2006. Question 11. What is the largest object in the solar system? Option A. The Sun, B. Jupiter, C. Earth, D. Saturn. The right answer is A. The Sun. The largest object in the solar system is the Sun. It is a star and it is so massive that it accounts for more than 99% of the mass of the entire solar system. Question 12. What is the Sun made up of? Option A. Gas and dust, B. Rock and metal, C. Water and ice, D. Plasma. The right answer is D. Plasma. The Sun is made of super hot electrically charged gas called plasma. The plasma rotates at different speeds on different parts of the Sun. Question 13. How does the Sun produce energy? Option A. Nuclear fusion, B. Nuclear fission, C. Chemical reaction, D. Solar flares. The right answer is A. Nuclear fusion. The Sun produces energy through a process called nuclear fusion. In its core, hydrogen atoms collide with each other at extremely high temperatures and pressures, fusing together to form helium atoms. This energy generation in the Sun's core powers the Sun, providing the heat and light that sustain life on Earth. Question 14. How long does it take for sunlight to reach Earth? Option A. 1 day, B. 1 week, C. 1 month, D. 8 minutes. The right answer is D. 8 minutes. Sunlight takes about 8 minutes and 20 seconds to reach. Light travels at a speed of about 3 lakh kilometers per second in a vacuum. The distance between the Sun and Earth is about 150 million kilometers. So it takes light about 8 minutes and 20 seconds to travel from the Sun to Earth. Question 15. Which planet is known for its beautiful rings? Option A. Jupiter, B. Saturn, C. Uranus, D. Neptune. The right answer is B. Saturn. The planet known for its beautiful rings is Saturn. Saturn's rings are made up of billions of pieces of ice and rock, ranging in size from tiny grains to boulders. The rings are thought to have formed from the collision of a moon or comet with Saturn early in the solar system history. Question 16. What is the hottest planet in the solar system? Option A. Venus, B. Earth, C. Mars, D. Mercury. The right answer is A. Venus. The hottest planet in the solar system is Venus. It has an average surface temperature of 464 degrees Celsius. This is hotter than the surface temperature of Mercury, even though Mercury is closer to the Sun. The reason for Venus' high temperature is its atmosphere. Venus' atmosphere is very thick and dense, and it is made up of mostly of carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is a greenhouse gas. which means that it traps heat. This trapping of heat is what makes Venus so hot. Question 17. Which planet has the largest number of moons? Option A Saturn, B Uranus, C Jupiter, D Mars. The right answer is A Saturn. Saturn is now the planet with the highest number of moons in the solar system. Recently, astronomers discovered 62 new moons orbiting Saturn, which brings the total number of moons the gas giant has to 145. Thus, Saturn has got its moon crown back from Jupiter, which has 95 moons as of February 25, 2023. Question 18. Which planet has the highest mountain in the solar system? Option A Mars, B Earth, C Venus, D Mercury. The right answer is A Mars. Mount Olympus Mons. The highest mountains in the solar system is Olympus Mons, which is located on Mars. It is a shield volcano that is over 25 kilometers tall, more than 3 times the height of Mount Everest. Olympus Mons is also one of the largest volcanoes in the solar system, with a base that is over 600 kilometers wide. Question 19. What is the smallest planet in the solar system? Option A Uranus, B Earth, C Mercury, D Neptune. The right answer is C Mercury. The smallest planet in the solar system is Mercury. It has a radius of 2439.7 kilometers, which is slightly larger than Earth Moon. Mercury is also the coolest planet to the Sun. Mercury is a rocky planet like Earth, Venus and Mars. Question 20. Which planet has the fastest rotation? Option A Earth, B Saturn, C Jupiter, D Venus. The right answer is C Jupiter. Jupiter has the fastest rotation of all the planets in the solar system, completing one rotation in just under 10 hours. This means that Jupiter has the shortest days of all the planets. Saturn is the second fastest rotating planet, completing one rotation is just over 10 hours. Question 21. What is the second largest planet in the solar system? Option A Jupiter, B Saturn, C Uranus, D Neptune. The right answer is B Saturn. The second largest planet in the solar system is Saturn. It is a gas giant with an average radius about 9 times that of Earth. Saturn is known for its beautiful ring system, which is made up of teeny ice particles and rocks. Question 22. What is the coolest star to our solar system? Option A Alpha Centauri, B Sirius, C Proxima Centauri, D Betelgeuse. The right answer is C Proxima Centauri. The coolest star to our solar system is Proxima Centauri. It is a red dwarf star located about 4.24 light years away from Earth. Proxima Centauri is part of a triple star system with Alpha Centauri A and Alpha Centauri B. Alpha Centauri is the coolest star system to our solar system, but Proxima Centauri is the coolest individual star. Question 23. What is the process of a star's death called? Option A supernova, B nebula formation, C white dwarf formation, D black hole formation. The right answer is A supernova. The process of a star's death is called a supernova. It is a violent explosion that occurs when a massive star runs out of fuel. Supernovae can be so bright that they can outshine entire galaxies for a short period of time. Question 24. Which planet is known for its beautiful blue color? Option A Neptune, B Mars, C Mercury, D Venus. The right answer is A Neptune. Neptune is known for its beautiful blue color. Neptune is the farthest planet from the Sun and is the fourth largest planet in our solar system. It is a gas giant and its atmosphere is made up of mostly of hydrogen and helium. However, Neptune also has a significant amount of methane in its atmosphere, which is what gives it its Blue color. Methane absorbs red light, so when sunlight hits Neptune's atmosphere, the red light is absorbed and the blue light is reflected. This is why Neptune appears blue from space. Question 25. What is the largest moon in the solar system? Option A. Moon, Earth's moon. B. Titan, Saturn's moon. C. Europa, Jupiter's moon. D. Triton, Neptune's moon. The right answer is B. Titan, Saturn's moon. Titan, Saturn's largest moon, is indeed one of the most notable moons in the solar system, while Titan is the second largest moon in the solar system after Ganymede, a moon of Jupiter. Question 26. Which planet has a great red spot? Option A. Mars, B. Saturn, C. Earth, D. Jupiter. The right answer is D. Jupiter. The planet with the great red spot is Jupiter. The great red spot is a massive, persistent anticyclonic storm on Jupiter. It is the largest storm in the solar system and is twice as wide as Earth. The great red spot has been observed for at least 350 years and may be much older. Question 27. How many dwarf planets are currently recognized in the solar system? Option A. 5, B. 8, C. 3, D. 1. The right answer is A. 5. There are currently 5 dwarf planets recognized in the solar system: Ceres, Pluto, Oma, Makemake, Eris. These dwarf planets meet all 3 of the IAU's criteria for dwarf planethood. They orbit the Sun. They are massive enough to have cleared the neighborhood of other objects. They are not in hydrostatic equilibrium, meaning that they are not found due to their own gravity. Question 28. Which planet has the highest average surface temperature? Option A. Venus, B. Earth, C. Uranus, D. Neptune. The right answer is A. Venus. The planet with the highest average surface temperature is Venus. It has an average surface temperature of 464 degrees Celsius. This is due to Venus' thick atmosphere, which is made up of mostly of carbon dioxide and sulfur dioxide. Question 29. What is the largest volcano in the solar system? Option A. Mount Everest, B. Olympus Mons on Mars, C. Mauna Kea on Earth, D. Mount Fuji on Earth. The right answer is B. Olympus Mons on Mars. The largest volcano in the solar system is the Olympus on Mars. It is over 25 kilometers high and 601 kilometers in diameter. This makes it about 3 times taller than Mount Everest and the size of the state of Arizona. Olympus Mons is a shield volcano, which is a type of volcano that is built up by many layers in flood lava. Shield volcanoes are typically very large and have gentle slopes. Question 13. Which planet has a more tilted axis? Option A. Earth, B. Saturn, C. Venus, D. Mars. The right answer is B. Saturn. Saturn has a more tilted axis than Earth. Saturn's axis is tilted at an angle of 26.73 degrees, while Earth's axis is tilted at an angle of 23.5 degrees. This means that Saturn's seasons are slightly longer and more extreme than Earth's season. Question 31. What is the second closest planet to the Sun? Option A. Mars, B. Venus, C. Mercury, D. Uranus. The right answer is B. Venus. The second closest planet to the Sun is Venus. The planets in our system in order from closest to the Sun are: first Mercury, second Venus, third Earth, fourth Mars, fifth Jupiter, sixth Saturn, 7 Uranus, 8 Neptune. Venus is a terrestrial planet like Earth, Mercury and Mars. Question 32. How many rings does Saturn have? Option A 1, B C7, D10. The right answer is C7. Saturn has 7 main rings. They are named from innermost to outermost: D, C, B, A, F, G and E. The rings are made up of billions of tiny particles of ice and rock, ranging in size from dust grains to boulders. Question 33. Which planet has the longest day? Option A, Earth, B, Mars, C, Jupiter, D, Venus. The right answer is D, Venus. The planet with the longest day is Venus. One day on Venus lasts 243 Earth days. This is because Venus rotates very slowly in the opposite direction of most other planets in our solar system. The exact reason for Venus' slow rotation is unknown, but it is thought to be related to the planet's thick atmosphere and the gravitational pull of the Sun. Question 34. Where is the asteroid belt located in our solar system? Option A, between Mars and Jupiter, B, between Earth and Mars, C, between Venus and Earth, D, between Neptune and Pluto. The right answer is A, between Mars and Jupiter. The asteroid belt is located between Mars and Jupiter. It is a region of space that contains millions of small rocky objects called asteroids. The asteroid belt is thought to have formed when the solar system was still young. At that time, there was a large disk of gas and dust orbiting the Sun. As the disk cooled and condensed, it began to form clumps of material. Some of these clumps grew large enough to become planets, while others remained small and became asteroids. Question 35. How many moons does Earth have? Option A, 1, B, 2, C, 5, D, 10. The right answer is A, 1. Earth has one moon. It is simply called the moon or Luna. It is the fifth largest moon in the solar system and the only natural satellite known to support life. The moon is thought to have formed about 4.5 billion years ago. Shortly after the formation of Earth, it is thought to have formed when a Mars-sized object collided with Earth, ejecting a large amount of material into orbit. This material eventually coalesced to form the moon. The moon has significant impact on Earth. For example, it creates tides and helps to stabilize Earth's axis. The moon also plays a role in Earth's climate and weather. Question 36. Which planet has the shortest year? Option A, Earth, B, Saturn, C, Mars, D, Mercury. The right answer is D, Mercury. The planet with the shortest year is Mercury. 1 year on Mercury lasts 88 Earth days. This is because Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun and it orbits the Sun very quickly. Mercury also has the smallest orbit of any planet in the solar system. The other planets in the solar system have much longer years. Earth has a year that lasts 365 days. Mars has a year that lasts 687 days. And Saturn has a year that lasts 10,759 days. Question 37. What is the outermost planet in the solar system? Option A, Uranus, B, Neptune, C, Saturn, D, Pluto. The right answer is B, Neptune. The outermost planet in the solar system is Neptune. Pluto is no longer considered a planet but a dwarf planet. Neptune is an ice giant and the fourth largest planet in the solar system. It is so far away from the Sun that it takes sunlight about 165 years to reach it. Neptune is also very cold, with an average surface temperature of -218 degrees Celsius. Neptune has a very active atmosphere with massive storms and strong winds. Neptune's great dark spot is a giant storm that has been raging for hundreds of years. The great dark spot is so large that it could fit several Earths inside of it. Question 38. What is the largest moon of Saturn? Option A. Ganymede, B. Callisto, C. Europa, D. Titan. The right answer is D. Titan. The largest moon of Saturn is Titan. It is the second largest moon in the solar system after Jupiter's moon Ganymede. Titan is larger than Mercury and Pluto. Titan is a very unique moon. It has a dense atmosphere that is made up of mostly of nitrogen, like Earth's atmosphere. Titan also has lakes and rivers of liquid methane, which is a type of organic molecule. This makes Titan the only place in the solar system other than Earth where liquid on the surface has been found. Question 39. What is the dwarf planet discovered in 2005 beyond Pluto? Option A. Eris, B. Uma, C. Makemake, D. Sirius. The right answer is A. Eris. The dwarf planet discovered in 2005 beyond Pluto in Eris. It is the second largest known dwarf planet in the solar system after Pluto. Eris was discovered on January 5, 2005 by a team of astronomers led by Mike Brown. It has initially thought to be larger than Pluto, but subsequent measurements have shown that it is slightly smaller. Eris is located in the scattered disk, a region of the solar system beyond the Kuiper belt. It has a highly elliptical orbit that takes it from 30 to 98 astronomical units from the Sun. An astronomical unit is the average distance between the Earth and the Sun. Question 40. Which planet has the most distinct and colorful rings? Option A. Saturn, B. Uranus, C. Neptune, D. Jupiter. The right answer is A. Saturn. The planet was the most distinct and colorful rings is Saturn. Saturn rings are made up of billions of tiny particles of ice and rock, ranging in size from dust grains to boulders. The rings are thought to have formed from the debris of moons and comets that were torn apart by Saturn's gravity. Saturn rings are divided into 7 main rings, each with its own unique color and brightness. The innermost ring, the D ring, is a faint, dusty ring. The next ring, the C ring, is a bright. The next ring, the C ring, is a bright white ring. The B ring is the brightest and most colorful rings. It is made up of particles of different sizes and composition, which gives it a variety of colors including blue, green and yellow. The A ring is the outermost of the main rings. It is a broad, faint ring with a few bright streaks. The F ring is a narrow, faint ring that is located just outside the A ring. The G ring is a narrow, faint ring that is located just outside the F ring. The E ring is a faint, dusty ring that is located just inside the G ring. Question 41. What is the smallest planet in terms of mass? Option A. Uranus, B. Earth, C. Pluto, D. Mercury. The right answer is D. Mercury. The smallest planet in terms of mass is Mercury. Mercury is also the smallest planet in terms of volume with a diameter of 4,879 km. It is about 20 times less massive than Earth. Mercury is a terrestrial planet like Earth, Venus and Mars. It is made up of silicate rock and minerals, and it is differentiated between an iron core and a silicate mantle and crust. Question 42. Which planet has the most elliptical orbit? Option A. Mars, B. Earth, C. Venus, D. Mercury. The right answer is D. Mercury. Mercury has the most elliptical orbit of the 8 planets in our solar system. Its orbit has an eccentricity of 0.2056, which means that it is 20.56% more elliptical than a perfect circle. This is due to the gravitational influence of the Sun and the other planets in our solar system. Question 43. What is the second largest planet in terms of mass? Option A. Jupiter, B. Saturn, C. Uranus, D. Neptune. The right answer is B. Saturn. Second largest planet in terms of mass is Saturn, which is about 95 times the mass of Earth. Saturn is also the second largest planet in terms of volume with a diameter of 1,20,536 km. It is about 9 times the diameter of Earth.